Hi, second graders. Today for math time, you will need a blank piece of paper and a pencil or something to write with. Today, we are going to work on solving word problems involving the total value of a group of coins. Watch this video and count as I am putting money up on the screen. How much money do I have right now? I have $85. Watch carefully as I add more money. How much money do I have now? I have $115. Watch carefully. I am going to exchange 10 of my $10 bills for one $100 bill. Do I still have the same amount of money as before? Yes, I still have $115. Now I'm going to add some more money. How much money do I have now? I have $185. I'm going to add more money. How much money do I have now? I now have $200. Using your own piece of paper and pencil, solve this problem on your own. Danny has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies. What is the total value of Danny's coins? Show 2 different ways that Danny might add to find the total. Pause the video as you are figuring out the total value of Danny's coins. When you have finished solving, unpause the video and see if we have the same answer. Danny has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies. What is the total value of Danny's coins? Danny has 65 cents in total. Show 2 different ways that Danny might add to find the total. You could have added these numbers in different ways. For example, I might add 20 plus 25 first, and that would give me 45. Then I might add 15 and 5 together, which would give me 20. So then I would have 45 plus 20, which would give me a total of 65 cents. Did you get the same answer? When we're doing story problems, it's really important that we follow the same strategy. The strategy we are going to use is called RDW. The R stands for read the problem. D stands for draw and label, some type of picture or diagram. And W stands for write number sentences to help you solve and to write a statement that answers the question. We are going to use this strategy as we continue solving more story or word problems. We are going to use our RDW strategy to solve this problem. Our first step is to read the problem. Let's read it together. Ignacio has 3 dimes and 2 nickels in one pocket, and 1 quarter and 7 pennies in another pocket. How much money is in Ignacio's pocket? Using your own piece of paper, draw and label a picture or diagram that will help you solve. Then write number sentences to figure out the total value of coins in Ignacio's pocket. Afterwards, write an answer statement that answers the question. Pause this video as you are solving this problem. Once you have solved it, unpause and check your work. Let's check our work. Ignacio had 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 1 quarter and 7 pennies. I drew a diagram that represented the different coins. Then I wrote number sentences, 30 plus 10 plus 25 plus 7. And then I added 2 numbers together first to make it a little easier for me to add. And I found out the total was 72 cents. But I'm not done there. I have to write a statement that answers the question. The question was, how much money is in Ignacio's pocket? Ignacio has 72 cents in his pocket. Did you also get 72 cents? Let's try another one. Again, we are going to follow the RDW strategy. First, we're going to read the problem. Tamika has 12 pennies and 2 quarters in her new piggy bank. She puts in 4 nickels, 1 dime, and 4 more pennies. How much money does Tamika have in her piggy bank? Now it's your turn to solve on your paper. Remember to draw and label a picture or diagram, write number sentences, and write a statement that answers the question. Pause the video as you are working. After you're done, come back and check your work. Let's check our work. First, I drew how much money was inside the piggy bank. Then I drew how much money Tamika added to the piggy bank. Then I added those 2 groups together and found out she has 96 cents. Then I wrote my answer statement. Tamika has 96 cents in her piggy bank. Did you get the same answer? Let's try another one. Again, we are using the RDW strategy. First, we need to read the problem. On Monday, Reese gives 2 dimes and 3 nickels to her sister. On Tuesday, she gives her sister 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 4 pennies. If Reese started with 94 cents, How much money does she have now? Now that I've read the problem, let's draw and label a picture or diagram, then write number sentences, and then finally write an answer statement that answers this question. Pause the video as you are working. When you have finished, come back and check your work. This was a tricky question. It required me to do 2 steps. First, I needed to figure out how much money Reese gave to her sister. I had to figure out how much money she gave on Monday and on Tuesday and add those 2 totals together. I found out that Reese gave his sister 64 cents. But that doesn't answer my question. My question was, if Reese started with 94 cents, how much money does she have now? So I need to do a second step where I take away how much money Reese gave to her sister. So I did 94 minus 64, which gave me 30. Reese has 30 cents now after giving away that 64 cents to her sister. Today, we learned that we can solve word problems involving the total value of a group of coins. Remember, there are daily assignments on Schoology to practice this skill. If you need additional support or help getting to Schoology or practicing this content, please email your teacher. Thank you for joining us for Math Time. Have a great day.